We from Medicure would like to wish you a happy married life and joyous. Hope you enjoy your life ahead, and we wait for your multiplications as soon as possible. So give us a result. Bye bye. See you. Enjoy your day.
Hi Anna, wish you a happy wedding day, enjoy your day and have fun. That's it.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Anna. Happy married life. Bye. Take care.
Hi Anna. Anna, marriage is a journey through time. A journey born of two hearts, filled with new beginnings and hope of dreams yet to come. So in this special day, I would like to wish you from my heart a wonderful beginning and a love to last lifelong. And it will be like this in my own language. Vivaha Mangalashamsakal. Bye bye.
Hi Anna, wish you happy married life. Bye bye.
Hi Anna, congratulations. Happy wedding day.
Hi Anna, congratulations. I'm missing you.
I'm Anna and I wish you all the best, and for your husband, please take care of Anna. She is a very good girl and will be a good wife. Congratulations for both of you.
Congratulations, Anna. I'm so sorry because I didn't know. Congratulations from my deep heart. Once you come, inshallah, with your husband, we will do a big, very big celebration.
Hi Anna, congratulations on your wedding day. I wish that I'm there on your big day. We are all happy here for you because you're able to find somebody who will stay with you forever and who will love you for who you are and accept everything, all your flaws. Just keep in mind to put God in the center of your married life. Always remember God is always there to guide you. Love is patient, love is kind. It doesn't envy, it doesn't boast. We, your friends, are just here if you need us. But I know everything will work well for you. Bye-bye.
Anna and Dodi, congratulations. Wishing you both joy and happiness. And Anna, mag-anak ka na agad, Day. Excited na kami maging ninang. Love you, Day. Mwah.
Hi Anna and Dodi, congratulations. I'm so happy for both of you. Finally, you're married. This is it, Anna. You're officially married. I'm so happy for both of you. I wish you the best and I hope for your successful marriage. And I hope that God will be the center of your relationship. To Dodi, you're so lucky to have Anna. Anna is very kind, very responsible, and very hardworking. I know that she's going to be a good wife to you as well. So I hope that you will treasure her and love her till the end. And I hope to see you soon in Dubai. And Anna and Dodi, I wish you have many kids and enjoy the rest of your day. This is your day. Cherish each moment because after this, I know both of you will be in a different place again. So I hope that in time you'll be together, you'll have kids, and you'll have a very beautiful family. So again, congrats. Hope to see you soon in Dubai. And Anna, see you soon. Bye.
Hi Chai, congratulations and best wishes sa inyo ni Dunde. I would like to say good job for passing the in a relationship status, although sometimes it's complicated status, but the point there is anin na ang ginuhulatang status mo, married to Rodolfo Salvador Jr. Always remember, Chai, that you have to love and respect each other. So just in case in the future that you will be having a misunderstanding, never dapat madula ang inyong love and respect sa isa't isa. And also, you have to support each other, pray for each other, and you have to allow God to take in control sa inyong married life. So, luck and God bless. And see you soon. Miss you.
Hi Ana! Congrats sa inyo ni Dodi. Basta lagi mo lang iisipin, laging two-way, yung understanding, communication, kahit ano pa yan, huwag kayong matutulog ng hindi nyo na pag-uusapan yung problema. Kasi diba, hindi mo kasi alam kung ano yung mangyayari the day after that. Kung hindi ko naman sinasabi may mangyayari masama ka na bukasan, pero at least before kayong matulog, isettle nyo agad yung problema, kay maliit or malaking bagay lang yan. Tapos, dapat laging two-way. What I mean is, especially pagka nagsama na kayo kasi sa iisang bubong, though matagal na kayong dalawa ni Dodi since college ba? Since college, iba pa rin pag kayo nasa iisang bubong na kayo kasi marami kang matutuklasan na minsan parang masusurprise ka kasi meron pala siyang side na ganito, kay Dodi din ganon, meron pala siyang side na ganito, na ganyan. So, dapat lagi niyong isa-settle yung both sides. At saka, syempre, alam ko naman, independent kang tao. So, hindi ka masyadong sanay ng medyo na sasabihan. Hindi ka sanay ng ginaguide ka kasi independent kang tao. Believe naman ako pagdating sa'yo doon. Pero ngayon nga may asawa ka na, hindi na pwedeng gusto mo lang or gusto lang ni Dodi. Dapat laging gusto yung dalawa. So, love each other. More babies to come. Sana pagbalik mo ng Dubai, di ba? May little Dodi at little Ana na. Yay! Panapangarap mo. Congrats! I love you. Mwah!
Ate Ana, congrats and best wishes. Since wedding mo, ang susunod yan is magpapamilya kayo. So, ang sa akin lang, pagawa mo ng pamilya mo, lagi mo lang itatanim sa puso't isipan mo na magulo man ang mundo, pamilya mo pa rin ang tutulong sa'yo. So, advice from us, huwag mag-expect more on love, more on trust, higit sa lahat kung kayang pagbigyan ng isang bagay, ibigay natin. Congrats and best wishes.